If you're starting to build long-term wealth, let me show you how real estate is the perfect entry-level way to do it. If you don't know me, my name is Branden Lowder, and I've helped hundreds of agents become the go-to expert that investors seek out when buying or selling real estate. When people ask me why so many individuals choose real estate as a new career path, my answer is simple. Real estate is not just a job. It is an entry point into understanding how wealth is actually built. That is why I often refer to real estate as the entry-level wealth builder. Unlike many professions, real estate allows you to earn income while learning how money, assets, leverage, and long-term value truly works. Real estate is also accessible in a way most wealth vehicles are not. You do not need to invent a product. You do not need venture capital. You do not need decades of experience before you begin. With education, licensing, and effort, you can enter the industry and immediately participate in real estate transactions, real negotiations, and real financial decisions. One of the most powerful things real estate teaches is how money actually works. You learn about leverage, you learn how debt can be used strategically, you learn how assets appreciate over time, you learn how income, expenses, and risk interact in the real world. Even before owning property yourself, working in real estate puts you around these concepts every day. That knowledge alone can change the way you think about money permanently. Real estate also has multiple wealth drivers working at the same time. Most careers pay you one way. You work, you get paid, and that's it. Real estate is different. There is cash flow, there's appreciation, there is loan pay down over time. There are tremendous tax advantages that exist almost nowhere else. Understanding how these forces work together is what separates transactional thinking from long-term wealth thinking. This is also why so many real estate agents eventually become investors themselves. Agents see patterns. They see which properties rent well, they see which renovations create real value, they see which mistakes cost people money. Over time, most agents naturally ask a simple question. If I understand this better than the average person, why wouldn't I own some of it myself? That shift is not accidental. It is exposure creating opportunity. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to US Realty Training. Doing so will get you more content just like this video. All right, let's keep going. Now, licensing is critical. Licensing teaches us contracts, compliance, ethics, and fiduciary responsibility. It gives you the legal foundation to operate professionally. But licensing alone does not deeply teach analysis, investment returns, or investor decision making. That gap becomes very visible once you start working with more experienced buyers, especially investors. One of the biggest career advantages in real estate is working with investors. Investors buy repeatedly, they make decisions based on numbers and not emotion, and they stay active in both strong and challenging markets. Agents who understand how investors think tend to build more stable, recession-resistant businesses. Another unique advantage of real estate is that you learn while you earn. Every transaction becomes a case study. Every negotiation sharpens your understanding of value. Every deal teaches you something about price, timing, and risk. Few professions pay you to develop this level of financial literacy. There is also a clear difference between order takers and professional advisors. Many agents focus only on transactions. The most successful agents, though, focus on outcomes. They understand why a deal works, not just how to process it. They understand risk, strategy, and long-term value. Even if you never invest personally, an investor mindset improves everything you do as an agent. It improves pricing accuracy, it strengthens negotiation skills, it builds client confidence and trust. Clients trust professionals who understand the why behind value. So if you are considering getting your real estate license, or you are newly licensed, this is the part I want you to hear clearly. Licensing teaches you how to practice real estate legally and ethically. What it does not fully teach is how investors analyze deals, measure the risk, and make decisions. That is exactly why the Certified Investor Agent Specialist designation exists. CIAS is designed to help agents understand real estate from an investor's perspective, how to evaluate opportunities, understand those returns, and speak the language investors expect from their real estate professional. If you're ready to earn your CIAS designation, click the link in the description and the comments below. And if you want another investment video like this one, I recommend watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.